I'm so interested in black hole and the quantum physics. Can you please tell me about black hole? Tell me whatever you have found.
If 1,000 years and 4,000 years, in a million years, a black hole is there, and this thing, a pink thing that is inside the black hole, the black hole will explode and it will be to white hole.
Oh, and what will happen to Australia?
Maybe I'll tell about Australia now.
Okay.
After 1,000 years,
Yes.
a big circle inside Australia. It'll still be like Australia. So this is Australia, and this, look what happened. This Australia will make a big one. This circle goes inside of the Australia, and if you see the Earth, Australia, it'll be like a surprise. A circle is inside of the Australia.
So the black hole kind of will eat Australia or something. I mean,
It can eat Australia, every Earth.
can you tell me some of the planets that you're researching? What is your favorite planet? Saturn, Pluto. What is it?
Black hole,
No. What is your favorite planet? Earth,
Earth.
Sun. Which one?
My one is like the sun.
Sun. Why?
Sun is a burning planet that is brighter.
That's brighter. That's a good one. Is there anything that
And also Jupiter is also bright. The dot of the circle is if it goes too close to Earth, it will be brighter and brighter.
is there anything else?
Like a sun and Jupiter are close to Earth, and they're bright and bright and bright.
Is there anything else that you want to tell us about this planetarium? Anything else you want to say? I need to take you to the planetarium museum. Is there anything else that you want to say about the planetarium world?
Just one question.
Say.
So if the Earth just takes like 4,000 years,
For what?
no. So like if all the people in Earth celebrate and us, and one guy is alone in the space, the machine,
The space.
the space one, like a space machine, it goes away and it all the way to Jupiter. Then it goes all the way to 4,000
Miles.
miles.
4,000
And,
actually, I think more than 4,000 miles. For me, it could be millions.
Yes. So this one, the long line, the dot of the middle, that is Earth.
Somewhere, I mean, Earth is in the middle of everything, in the orbit.
Like a long line, that is the dot of the Earth.
Okay.
And it's far away. And
Okay.
it can't get to Earth. It will take lots of months
Okay.
and days.
That's all for tonight.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you. Yasin loves this kind of science like black hole or planet or planetarium world. He's not that interested in the regular part of studies. I don't know why, but he loves watching videos on planets. So today I was at home. We were doing some, he was doing his thing, and this is what he has shown me. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to share, comment, and like. Thanks. Bye.